Hello and welcome to your daily dose of crypto. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help grow the channel. Today, February 25th, 2022. The market is the green today, with Bitcoin recovering to a positive 10% at the time of this writing, and many altcoins are following its path. The Russian invasion of Ukraine has cast a doubt on the ALTCOINS digital gold thesis. Edward Moore, senior analyst with Onda, pointed out that Bitcoin continues to act like the ultimate risky asset, tumbling hard after Russia launched an attack against Ukraine. If Bitcoin can hold on to the $30,000 level over the short term, that would likely mean investors are still upbeat about the economic outlook, and that risky assets should stabilize once the Russian-Ukraine crisis impact is better understood, wrote Moore. In a note seen by Benzinga, Moore said that many institutional investors could abandon Bitcoin if a fear of recession grips Wall Street over the coming 24 months. Journalist Colin Wu tweeted, citing data from Levitus, that the put-call ratio for Bitcoin options expiring on the 25th of February rose to 2.18 after Russia declared war. Investors were buying short-term put options. As of now, a total of 137 meters of Bitcoin put options expiring on the 25th of February have been traded today, wrote Wu. Russia to avoid sanctions with crypto. The Biden administration pledged to impose harsh economic sanctions on Russia over its invasion of Ukraine, which began in earnest on Thursday morning. But billionaire oligarchs close to Russian President Vladimir Putin could potentially blunt the effects of the sanctions thanks to cryptocurrency. According to experts, neither dictators nor human rights activists will encounter any censor on the Bitcoin network, Matthew Sigel of investment manager VanEck told Bloomberg. There is also disagreement within Russia as to the best way to regulate cryptocurrency, which the central bank in Moscow views as a pyramid scheme. In October 2020, the Russian central bank announced that it would create a new digital ruble that would make its economy less dependent on the US dollar. China, Russia's main trading partner, has already created its own digital currency. It has been reported that 17 million digital-savvy Russians who are connected to the internet own some $23 billion worth of cryptocurrency. Russia has also been suspected of being a global hub of ransomware attacks that have netted cybercriminals around $400 million worth of cryptocurrency last year alone, according to Chainalysis, a firm that tracks blockchain transactions. Chainalysis has reported that cybercriminals in Russia have become reliant on Hydra, a crypto-powered marketplace that can be found on the dark web, making it difficult for authorities to trace. Bitcoin in great buyer and is recovering, says traders. Bitcoin's collapse on the night of the 23rd of February was not unexpected by most traders, and according to crypto trader Pintoshi, BTC price could recover the $40,000 mark in the short term. Despite this positive outlook, Pintoshi expressed wariness of the overall macro environment, which looks pretty dire. A more in-depth assessment of the current situation was offered by David Lifshitz, managing director and chief investment officer at Exo Alpha, who noted that Bitcoin and other cryptos have been moving up and down in tandem with the Russia-Ukraine news, so the plunge in cryptos and other assets was expected following the first, even if surgical, strikes in Ukraine. One positive for the crypto market was that there was less leverage at play than during the drawdown in May 2021, which resulted in less liquidation of over-levered players and hence a milder correction versus what was seen in May. Lifshitz pointed to the fact that Bitcoin's recent low at $34,300 was near the low of the range it has been stuck in for weeks now, and suggested that the direction of Bitcoin and other cryptos will be driven by what happens in the next couple of days with the Ukraine-Russia situation. Aside from the short-term impact of this conflict, Lifshitz stated that the elephant in the room is the central bank's rate hikes that won't be as tough as they should be to tame inflation, but will be enough to put more pressure on the economy and the stock market. Lifshitz said, analysis of what comes next for BTC if the panic continues was also provided by crypto trader and pseudonymous Twitter user Angelo Doge, who posted the following tweet pointing to support at $25,000 in the event that bears break through the $33,000 level. Low chance Bitcoin holds $33,000 on a second visit. Sometimes things need to get worse before they can get better. Upon support failure, $25,000 $BTC comes next. Hope for the best, prepare for the worst, and stay off the leverage. That is the end of the video.
That is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.